Hello, I'm Sammy, and my mechanism on our phoenix rising from an egg was the phoenix itself. This phoenix was cut out with a plasma cutter, and it uses actually plasma cut gears in combination with a string in order to make it so that the wings rise as the lift and the phoenix with it rises up out of the egg.
Hi, I'm Ben. I made our linear slide system right here. It's out of 80/20 and 3D printed sliding components. It uses a belt that goes through a series of pulleys and bearings, such that when the belt is pulled down here by a motor, it tightens and sends the whole system up.
Hi, my name is Jackson. I designed the egg hatching mechanism. It's essentially a weighted hinge that opens the egg when the phoenix rises, and when the phoenix comes down, it's held closed by these two arms right here. So some of our design requirements were to have a chain drive, which is under here. We were also required to have a turned part, which you can see right here. Some other design requirements, we required to work with sheet metal and to form it. So we did some work there. Yeah, and
Sammy got plasma cut trained, Ben did as well, and Jackson, you got sheet metal trained, is that right?
Yeah.
Some other interesting components of the box. It was actually welded together by Jackson with some very nice welds, so that's very cool. It's made almost entirely out of plastic and metal, keeping with the theme of plastic and metal.
The biggest challenge is integrating the egg system because it has this weird connection part. It's a little bit difficult to tune the egg to shut correctly. And we also had issues with incorrect materials for vacuum forming, so we had to 3D print the egg at the end.
Originally, we were intending to vacuum form it, but the materials we had on hand were not usable for our purposes.